everyone, my name is Mazimana from MS10A. Well, today I want to talk about the elip root equation. Well, at first, you need to know what this means. At first, you can see it. You can see the elip root equations. It's in the coordinate plane and have two fixed points. That's f1 and f2. Ellipse is the endpoint set, and and after that plus of the and equal with the um and then it's the plus of the f1m plus f2m equal to a, and this don't change. And after that, you need to know the focus point is that f1 and f2. The fate is the distance of the f1 multiplied f2 and equal to c. Well, how about the canonical equation? I give you some example. At first, you have the equip with the f1 with a negative c and 0. f2 is the c and 0. You have the endpoint with x and y, x and y in elip. And after that, you have the equation that p squared equal a equal uh equal c squared plus a squared, with 2 multiply a equal f1m plus f2m. And after that, you have the canonical equation that x squared per a squared plus y squared per b squared equal 1. Okay, how about the shape? The shape of the elip root is that you have the symmetrical axis and symmetrical center. I give you the example that you have the endpoint with x and y that's in the elip, and after that the m1 point is the negative x and y, m2 is the x and y, m3 is the negative x and negative y, also in elip. Okay, now you have the oleg is the axis of the symmetry, and OY is the center of the symmetry. Okay, how about the top of the elip? I give you some example like that. You can change the y equal 0 and change in the and change in and you change to the equations, and so you can have the x equal negative or a. How about the elip? The so that you can have the elip cut away at a1 with negative a 0 and a2 with a and 0, and for the x is the same, so therefore you have the a1 a2 b1 b2 is the top of the elip. Finally, you need to know how about the big axis and the small axis of the elip. A1 and A2 line is A2 like segment is the big axis, and a B1 and B2 line segment is the small axis. So that's all of my knowledge about the smart class today, and I want to share with you. So thank you for listening, and goodbye.